Hello everyone, welcome to Sanitary Intelligence Europe and America. This year we are celebrating 12 years old. I am the Professor Dr. Natália Bellan, the first woman and PhD in regulatory intelligence about medicines and medical devices in global level. And before I became a pharmacist, I was a technical engineer. And as you know, as an Italian, I had an opportunity to developing my regulatory intelligence methodology in different countries and companies as pharmaceutical industries, laboratories, association, as we can see. During the period between 2020 and 2023, in additional the pandemic situation world, particularly, I I also went through a great challenge. A great challenge as a professional, as a human being. Since due to my health condition, I was unable to undertake large displacements or trips. But the positive sides is that now, particularly with my 40 years, I understand that all of this has made me even stronger and more confident. And I discovered that I am the first PhD in regulatory affairs about medicines and medical device in words. When I was compared with that of Marie Curie, despite the many similarities, I didn't understand why, since I hadn't discovered a new chemical element in the periodical table. However, I created a new line of research within the stricto sense scope and a new approach in the regulatory area, integrated the different knowledge involved such as quality, regulatory, production, engineer, marketing, regulatory agents, technical standards, pharmacopoeia, international law, and I implemented that is I validated, I reproduced my methodology in different industries and countries. In other words, in addition to use Aristotle's principle, research, teaching, and extension, I applied the very concept of validated analytical methodologies. However, the difference is that the same methodology cannot be reproduced or copied, as each company and product are unique. Currently, regulatory intelligence is the heart of a company. Without regulation, there is no product, and without a product, there are no sales, there is no market team, there is no exhibition at conferences. An example of innovative regulatory intelligence that I developed, especially in the period 2015 and 2019, was the case of the United States Pharmacopoeia in Brazil, a company with more than 200 years of tradition. Why was I so successful? Because in addition to having in deep knowledge of pharmacopoeias and having already worked in quality control at American pharmaceutical companies such as Bristol Myers Squibb, I developed a completely personalized strategy. And that's why I would like to highlight the importance of companies developing the best strategy and regulatory intelligence for their innovative business and pipelines that can't be summed up in a simple Excel spreadsheet. In the last decade, I have specialized in innovative cases, projects, and products that not other professional or company has ever been able to achieve. And obviously, this demands an innovative, analytical, global vision, greater dedication, and responsibility to ensure robustness, accuracy, and precision. Behind companies, there are people, and they in turn have their personal trajectory inherent to life, which makes it very difficult for us to dissociate the figure of the human being and the professional, as they complement each other. In my case, the first sanitary inspection that I witnessed, I was only 12 years old. Synchronicity or destiny. The fact is that in addition to having developed technical skills to work in this area, I have always been motivated by an inexplicable internal passion. And when we do what we like, we don't see it as hard work but as something enjoyable. In the last 3 years, the main regulatory agencies were also unable to carry out their normal activities, such as in-person inspections of good manufacturing practices, and this year the main exceptions indeed due to the pandemic. In other words, by 2024, we will have a lot of work in various sectors. Thank you for your attention and let me share my vision in global level about regulatory science. See you, we keep touch. Bye bye.